These heavy-duty bed legs are made of widened and thickened steel, and wood slats have better toughness to provide excellent support and prevent sagging, noise, and shaking. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Quick and easy assembly. All tools, hardware, parts, and instructions are included. Simple installation in minutes. No tools required. Your headboard can be installed with the headboard brackets. Number 2. No box spring needed in large storage space, 16 inches bed height. No box spring is required, and the well-made slats can protect and extend the mattress life. Provide 14 inches of space under the bed to help you better store items. Number 3. Foldable bed frame. The foldable design allows the bed frame to be used for a long time or as a temporary guest bed. When not in use, it can be easily stored. Number 4. Lifetime warranty. Attentive after-sales service. We will provide you with a satisfactory solution within 24 hours. Please rest assured to buy. Number 5. Heavy-duty frame support. Supports 3,000 pounds, easily withstand the pressure of 4 to 6 people without any sags. Number 6. Quiet, noise-free support. Ensures quiet, noise-free support, making it easier to sleep more soundly. Number 7. Headboard attachment. Comes with 2 removable parts. Easy to install the headboard. Number 8. Large underbed storage. 16 inches of clearance allows you to store more items. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. If there is a problem with the received product, answer. Don't worry, we will give you a satisfactory solution. Question number 2. Can I use a box spring with this frame? Answer. No box spring needed. You could add a box spring to add height, but it is not necessary because it is 16 inches high. However, it is not needed because of the metal slots. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.